Hey guys, we got a awesome TNT orange ammo smoke. Let's light it up. Alright, get ready. This is a camo smoke.
Oh crap. Wow. Dude, that's crazy ridiculous.
Does it smell? Does it smell?
Haha, look.
Yeah.
Regroup at the smoke.
You should just hold it and go.
No, move, stop. Oh, move, you're in front of it.
Fine. What? Yeah. Grab it, it's a flare.
No, don't touch it.
It's like the only. How long does this go on for?
It's ammo smoke. It goes on a long time.
Oh.
I could grab it right now, right?
No,
Why not?
it's hot.
Yeah.
Doesn't go on for I'm just kidding. Yeah,
It colored the grass and it colored the thing. How was it, Owen? Owen, how was it? Owen, how
You
was
should
it?
just do that and
Owen,
go.
how was it?
You should do that and go.
How was it?
How are you?